Okay.
Hey everybody, I'm Ginger Bosco with J. Hudson Homes, and I'm here with my favorite insurance agent, Nick Bosco. Hey Nick, when a client is purchasing a home, what are some of the things they need to consider with homeowners insurance?
So that's a big question, Ginger. As you know, obviously when someone's buying a house, it's one of the biggest investments that they're going to make in their life. And homeowners insurance actually covers a wide gamut of coverages. I actually give an hour-long talk to first-time home buyers of all the things that they need to consider, from how much do you insure it for. It's not always necessarily the purchase price, but you have to consider the reconstruction cost. So that if it burns down or blows away, your insurance company, you want it built back the way it was. So it's not necessarily the purchase price, especially if you're getting a great deal on it, but you got to consider the square footage, the construction grade. There's a lot of things that go into that. So, and that's just one of the things. You also want to look at, what kind of roof coverage do you have? Actual cash value versus replacement cost value. Do you need flood insurance? Do you need earthquake insurance? How about jewelry floaters? Do you have, jewelry that's expensive? So there's a lot of things to consider. Probably the most important thing to consider is just to make sure that you have a good insurance agent that knows what they're doing, knows the lay of the land, because there's different considerations here in Tennessee than there would be in Minnesota or in California. So you got to be careful about going to just a call center, and you got to be careful about also trying to paint every client with the same broad brush. You wouldn't go to a doctor and just say, hey, I'm a 35-year-old female, just give me what you gave the last 35-year-old female. So there's some expertise that goes into it. And as I tell most of my clients, the most expensive insurance is the wrong insurance. If you don't have the coverage that you need personally, in the event of a claim, it could cost you quite a bit. We're seeing it right now with the tornadoes that just came through. One of the big considerations is additional living expenses. There are people that are displaced from their homes right now and are having to live elsewhere while their house is being either repaired or rebuilt. So anyway, that's a consideration. But yeah, again, at the end of the day, you really want to make sure that you have a good, solid insurance agent that knows what they're doing. Obviously, I'd be more than happy to help your clients.
Well, thank you. Thank you so much, Nick, for taking your time to explain all this to us.
My pleasure, sweetheart.
We'll see ya. Bye-bye.